everybody, and welcome to Fix It Friday. Fix It Friday, guys. Today is a day when I go over certain things that I think can be improved or fixed throughout the MMA, martial arts, and Krav Maga world. And today we're going to talk about how to improve your shadow boxing. Now, I probably went over this before in a previous video, but we're going to go over it again because I get a lot of inquiries about shadow boxing. Shadow boxing is one of the main forms that we use in a fighting system, or even if you're playing basketball, something like that, you're shadow playing basketball, shadow playing football, but we talk about shadow boxing or shadow fighting. There's three things I think you can use to help or improve your shadow boxing. First, let's talk about the mindset. A lot of people can't really shadow box because they can't put themselves there in the fight. They don't really know what they're doing. So I'm going to tell you three things that you can do to improve that. Now, one thing you can do is use the mirror. You can shadow box to improve your technique. You're pretty much being your own coach. So if I'm using the mirror, I'm throwing my jab, As I see myself dropping my right, I say, okay, I can't drop my right when I throw my jab. I gotta keep my hand up. I throw my cross. If I see I'm not rotating when I throw my cross, I throw my knees. If I see I'm not punching my hips in, I want to use the mirror to coach myself so I can be bettering my technique and throwing crisp and nice shots. That's the first thing I can do to improve my shadow boxing. The second thing is huge. That is when you're using visualization. Visualization is huge when it comes to shadow boxing. I'm gonna tell you, I train pretty much during the day. My students are at work, my instructors are at work, so I pretty much do all of my training during the day, which means I have to train by myself. 90% of the training I do is by myself, so I'm always using this visualization technique. I can't even say it. Big word, but it's a good word. It's pretty much, if I'm moving around, I'm actually pretending like I'm in a fight. I may hit them with a jab. They may throw a shot back. They may be coming in for a takedown, and I try to stuff it with a knee. I'm actually visualizing it. I can get so much into this. Sometimes I even act like I got hit. They hit me, I stumble back, and I gotta, oh man, I really get into it. If you walk in the room when I'm doing my visualization techniques, you might think I'm a little crazy. But it's an excellent way of shadow boxing, pretty much imagining yourself being in the fight. The third way is you just want to get a workout. You're not really putting no real combinations together. You're not really fixing yourself in the mirror. You're just getting a good workout. Maybe you're doing some shadow boxing and then you're going to some squats. Maybe you do some shadow boxing and then you're doing some jumping jacks. Maybe you're doing some shadow boxing and knees, and you're going to some type of exercise. Maybe you're doing a whole bunch of flurries, whole bunch of knees. You're just trying to get your workout in, get the heart pumping. So those are three things. Number one, you want to use the mirror as your coach, trying to improve your technique. Number two, you want to actually imagine that you're in the fight and what they're doing compared to what you're doing. And then lastly, you want to be using it as a cardio workout. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Once again, my name is DJ, and I'm giving you confidence during chaos and showing you respect. Woo!